Let's start chapter 13, Direct and Indirect Speech. So, first let's read the following sentences. Mukti said Rohan is absent. Mukti said that Rohan was absent. So, in these two sentences, what you observe? That in sentence 1, Mukti used the exact words that is used by the speaker. This is called the direct speech or direct narration. But in the second sentence, we do not find the exact words of the speakers. So it is called the indirect sentence or indirect speech or indirect narration. Now, let's first learn direct speech. Direct speech has the exact words that speaker says. Like, father said, "Where are my shoes?" "This ice cream is delicious," said Ajay. "What a beautiful dress," said Pooja. "Please get out of the car," the police officer ordered. In indirect speech, we do not have the exact words. So for this, we use verb like say, ask or tell that will be followed by that. In indirect speech, we don't use quotation mark. We can change the tense of the word. We can change the pronouns and determiners. Now let's see some example. Direct speech and its indirect speech. Anita said, "I feel ill." Anita said that she felt ill. Karina said, "It's time to leave." Karina said that it was time to leave. In this, what we are observing that we are changing the tense. Now, let's come to one more. When you are using indirect speech to report a statement that is still true, we don't need to change the tense of the word. Like, Rajesh said, "My mom does not like peas." Rajesh said that his mom does not like peas. So, in these sentences, tense is not changing. Now, let's see indirect comments. For this, we use verbs like order, tell, warn. The teacher said, "Stop running in the corridor." So for indirect, the teacher ordered us to stop running in the corridor. So like this, you can make the indirect speech. Indirect questions. So for this, suppose Deepa said, "Where is my backpack?" For indirect, how can you do? Deepa asked where her backpack was. So like this, you can change. Now, where are they going? So for indirect, I asked where they were going. And now to report a question word question, use the same question word in direct speech like Mom said, "Where are your shoes?" Mom asked where my shoes were. So like this, children, you can change direct speech into indirect speech. When you have the answer like yes or no, use if or whether after the verb. Like, is it raining? Asked Indira. Indira asked if it was raining. Like this, you can change direct to indirect. Now come to the exercise. Here we have to fill the blank spaces in the correct tenses. First one is already done. By looking at this, you can done other examples. Now come to B. In this, we have to complete these indirect speech sentences with the correct pronoun or determiners. First one is already done. We can do others by seeing the reference of this example. Now come to C. In this, you have to rewrite the following sentences as indirect questions. First one is done. Now let's come to the second one. Uncle Paul requested Roger to take his shoes off at the door. Third one will become John asked if I had read the Harry Potter books. Fourth one will become Nancy asked Alex if he would like some more orange juice. Fifth one will become the principal advised the children not to be rude to their teacher. Sixth one will become Dad asked the plumber when he would finish the work. Seventh one will become the teacher ordered the children not to open the books. To open your books. Eighth one will become Mom advised Mala to turn the music down.